Hi, this is Goggin, and today what I'm doing is it's cold down here in Tornado Alley, Texas, so I'm going to be making some vegetable beef soup. What I'm using is Bear Creek. This is good products here. Bear Creek vegetable beef soup mix. Uh, this is good just if you make it just by the directions, but I'm going to be kicking it up a little bit and doing it my way, kicked up. We're going to have this in two parts. First part will be I'll show you what I use to kick it up and how to go about mixing it up. And second part will be the finished product. So what I have, of course, is the soup mix. And I'm going to be adding one 32-ounce carton of beef stock, along with 4 cups of water. I also want some macaroni in it, or some shell, little shells in my soup. So I'm going to be adding this bag to the soup. And of course, got some mixed vegetables I'm going to be adding. And going to go ahead and get started, show you how this comes together. Okay, what I've got is I've got the 4 cups of water and the beef stock already in the pot. And let me center this here. And it's coming to a boil. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and add the Bear Creek vegetable beef soup mix. And like I say, just making this by itself with the 8 cups of water, it's delicious. I'm going to add this. We're going to kind of whisk it in. Let me find my whisk here. Going to whisk it in the pot here, and we're going to bring it to a boil. Make sure that's all whisked in. Now I'm going to add my little shell macaroni here to the pot, and we're going to add the whole thing. You can add whatever you like. If you like noodles, I didn't happen to have some. This is what I had on hand, so that's what I'm going to be. That's why I'm making it. But they're still good. It'll work. Then I'm going to add my mixed vegetables. You can add beef to this also. If you want to add beef, then that's fine also. Add the whole bag of this. I think I got it all. Just go ahead and whisk this up. Man, it smells okay. It just smells great right now, just as it is. It's mixed up. What we do is just bring this to a boil, and when it comes to a boil, we cut it down to a simmer and let it simmer and cook for 15 minutes. That's all it takes. And the soup is ready. And I tell you what, it is smelling delicious in there. It really is. And it just smells so good. Bear Creek makes some really good products. I don't endorse many products, but I endorse theirs because it's really good stuff. And they don't pay me a dime for doing it, just passing it on. This is Skogit. I'll have the second video coming up, and I'll show you how it come out. I'll show you the finished product. This is Skogit. I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and hope you give this a try. Kick it up your way, however you like it. You can put meat in it if you like. This is just the way I do it. This is Skogit, and y'all take care.